Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making this low budget ribeye steak and I'm going to top it off with this delicious creamy shrimp. Stay tuned.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So guys, I've got this steak and as you can see, it is quite a thin slice of steak. Now all I'm going to do is season it with some adobo, sazon and adobo seasoning. Now I've put about half a teaspoon on each side. Make sure you season each side of the steak because you're going to be eating both sides. I don't want to heavily season it because as you can see, I'm going to top it off with the creamy shrimp, which is going to be packed with flavor. So in a pan with about 2 tablespoons of butter, I'm going to go ahead now and put my steak in. Now depending on how you like your steak, I prefer my steak to be well done, so I did fry this on both sides for about 4 to 5 minutes each side. Now once I remove the steak, I'm going to put it aside to rest. Now the shell that I got from the prawns, I'm just going to fry it off in the pan that the steak was in. Now I'm doing this just because you know the shell of the shrimp has a lot of flavor packed into it and I want to get all of that out. Now I did another tablespoon and a half of butter. Just going to give this a little toss in the pan now because you know our pan was looking a little bit dry, which is that, you know, we don't want that around here. We want a dry goods around here and bono food. So moving that aside, I'm just going to go ahead now and put my shrimp in. Now I'm using about 7 medium-sized raw shrimp. Now once I put the shrimp in, I'm going to go ahead and take the shell out. Now I fried the shrimp on each side for a couple of minutes. After this is done, take your shrimp out and put it to the side. Now I'm going to add about half an onion, medium onion, and I'm using about 4 cloves of crushed garlic. I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to add about half a cup of white wine. For this I had my heat on medium. Now after a couple of minutes with the wine, I'm going to go ahead now and add some heavy cream. I will list everything that I used in the description box. Just going to lightly season this with about half a teaspoon of seafood Creole and some parsley. Now I'm going to go ahead now and add the grated parmesan cheese. Now guys, it is important when you're cooking to taste your pot. Once you taste it, you will know what is needed. I went ahead and added a little bit of, because I like a little bit of heat, I added some scotch bonnet pepper sauce and I did also add some garlic granules. And I added a little bit more parmesan cheese and some paprika. once this is done, just go ahead now and plate up your delicious dish. Now you can serve this with maybe some fries or some mashed potato. Guys, this sauce was so good. Like everything complemented each other. Now I put some shrimp down, then I put the sauce over, then I left about 3 to go on top. Then all I'm gonna do is just top that off with just a little bit more grated parmesan cheese and some spring onions. There you have it, guys, my low budget ribeye steak with creamy shrimp. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're still here with me, leave me a steak emoji, and don't forget to aim high, work hard, but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.